Welcome to Gagagabo YouTube channel. This is our first video in English and it's a tribute video to our beloved real life Iron Man, Mr. Elon Musk. Let's go into the content. Elon Musk, a billionaire entrepreneur, engineer, industrial designer, philanthropist, and so on. For his extraordinary and multifaceted career, his followers call him the real life Iron Man. At the age of 10, Mr. Musk saw his first computer. And you won't believe me when I say this, at the age of 12, he already started learning computer programming all by himself. And he created a video game called Blaster. And not only that, he sold his video game and got $500. If you ask me, everything started there. From there onwards, there's no stopping of Mr. Musk. At the age of 23, he started a company called Zip2, and at 24, he enrolled himself for both BS Economics and BA Physics. Musk had the habit of reading at least 2 books a day, and what most people do it in a year. At the age of 27 to 28, he sold his company and got $22 million. He then started his next company, X.com, which we all know now as PayPal. He sold that company to eBay and received his sum of whopping $165 million. This is the point where most people say, okay, fine, that's it. I have done a lot of hard work and let me take a rest and I have earned my money. But Musk isn't any other person in the world. He invested all his money in SpaceX, Tesla, and in SolarCity, 3 revolutionary ideas. There were times that Mr. Musk has to borrow money for his rent. And not only that, there were a crucial time that both Tesla and SpaceX required a lot of funding. But Mr. Musk had only $30 to $40 million in his account. That was hardly enough for one company. Therefore, another company has to die. Any entrepreneur in the world would have chose that. He would have spent all his money in one company and made it successful and let the another one die. But Musk chose to split the money and took a very risky decision at that time. He said those companies are like his children and he cannot let one company starve to death and rising the another. This is an amazing perspective for any entrepreneur who is watching this video. Fortunately, his business went on to make massive records. Whenever I see Mr. Musk on television or in social media, automatically one quote comes into my mind. When you want success as badly as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. When you have suffered the failure and when you have the perseverance to succeed, the self-reliance from education, you will be regarded as Superman nevertheless. The living example is Elon Musk. For me, the one thing which I loved in him is the perseverance he possesses. I'll just brief you one of his life events. In 2001, Mr. Musk conceptualized an idea to make a livable atmosphere in Mars. In order to achieve that, Mr. Musk required massive rockets to transport people from Earth to Mars. But the problem is, he was new to the industry. Not only that, in US, rockets were highly costly. Therefore, Mr. Musk tried to buy rockets in Russia during 2001 and 2002, but the deal wasn't fruitful. So he has to leave Russia empty-handed, but with a $1 billion idea called SpaceX. At that time, people thought he was crazy and the idea was bad, and he is gonna bankrupt. Again, from one of his interview, I remember him saying that he never expected Tesla to be a massive hit. When the interviewer asked, then why did you start a company when you thought it isn't going to be successful? For that, he replied, some ideas are worth trying, even if the possible outcome is a failure. That's the same he did with SpaceX. Of course, there were failures and people already started laughing at him, but the vision remained. Even after 3 failures, Musk literally had to put all his resources to SpaceX for one last launch. He nurtured it. The launch was successful, and from that point, SpaceX started traveling in an exponential graph. In 2012, It was the first private company to ship cargo from Earth to International Space Station. And in 2013, SpaceX was the first company to launch a satellite in geosynchronous orbit. In 2015, SpaceX achieved a rare feat that no other companies could do. It just demonstrated a reusable rocket technology by recovering one of its first stage. Not only that, they have used that first stage in 2017 launch and demonstrated the world that it is possible to reuse rocket engines. And it surely changed the rocket equations. In 2018, SpaceX sent an elegant Tesla Roadster and a Starman into a heliocentric orbit just to showcase that what they are capable of. The entire space community is stunned with their success, and everyone realized that the company is progressing towards their vision. In 2019, the company demonstrated its capacity to carry humans to space and successfully achieved in May 2020. SpaceX is the first private company ever in the world to send two American astronauts to International Space Station. And not to forget, SpaceX Falcon Heavy is the heaviest payload capacity rocket available till date. When SpaceX is creating history in space, Tesla is breaking records in Earth. Mr. Musk has done something that no one in the history could do. He has showed us how to convert your failures into success. He showed us how to include economics in research and how to use research for the betterment of the society. Mr. Musk created a massive shockwave in almost all the futuristic industry through his hard work and vision. Today is his 49th birthday, and we take this opportunity to say, Mr. Musk, you have given us hope and you have shown us how it is done. Wish you a very happy birthday, the real Iron Man of the Earth. Thank you for watching. This is Gagagabo YouTube channel and team.